The Sukhoi Su-34, also known as Fullback, is a Russian twin-seat, all-weather supersonic fighter bomber, designed to replace the aging Su-24 Fencer. Here are some of its key characteristics and capabilities. Dimensions and weight. Length, 23.3 meters, 76 feet 5 in. Wingspan, 14.7 meters, 48 feet 3 in. Height, 6.09 meters, 20 feet. Maximum takeoff weight, 45,100 kilograms, 99,420 pounds. Engines. 2 Saturn AL-31F afterburning turbofans. Thrust, 123 kilonewtons, 27,600 lbf, each. Performance. Maximum speed, Mach 1.8, 1,900 km per hour, 1,180 miles per hour. Combat radius, 1,100 kilometers, 680 miles, with 8,000 kilograms, 17,600 pounds, of ordnance. Ferry range, 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles, with 3 aerial refuelings. Ceiling, 15,000 meters, 49,000 feet. Rate of climb, 200 meters per second, 39,400 feet per minute. Armament. 1 GSH-30-130 mm cannon with 150 rounds. Up to 8,000 kilograms, 17,600 pounds, of ordnance, including air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, bombs, and rockets. The Su-34 can carry a wide range of weapons, such as the KH-59M, KH-31, and KH-38 missiles, as well as KAB-500L and KAB-1500L guided bombs. Avionics and systems. The Su-34 is equipped with a state-of-the-art avionics suite, including a Phasotron NIIR Ju-K radar, an electro-optical targeting system, and a digital glass cockpit with 3 multifunction displays. The aircraft has a fly-by-wire control system, which makes it highly maneuverable and easy to fly. The Su-34 also has a sophisticated self-defense suite, including radar warning receivers, electronic countermeasures, and chaff flare dispensers. Overall, the Su-34 is a highly capable fighter bomber with advanced avionics, powerful engines, and a wide range of weapons. Its long range and heavy ordnance carrying capability make it a valuable asset for the Russian Air Force. For more defense and military stuff, please subscribe to our channel, Defense Afghanistan. Thank you.